Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we learn about letter B. This is letter B. B is for ball. B is for balloon. B is for bat. B is for butterfly. B is for banana. B is for blueberry. B is for bear. B is for bicycle. B is for basket. B is for biscuit. B is for bus. B is for bee. B is for books. B is for boat. B is for bell. B is for bed. B is for belt. B is for bank. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.